Hello, welcome to Global Peace by 2027. This is a special prayer chain. Globally, we pray for peace in Eastern Europe. 40-day special prayer condition, already the sixth one. And we are doing the most difficult task that nobody could do it, even full armies. We are praying to God to mobilize heavenly world to help human beings get rid of sins and live happily as God's children. We reading few quotes from the Messiah Second Coming in the beginning. And this week we pray for peace and prosperity. Already there are many miracles was in our meetings. And if you want to prosper, join our meeting. Doesn't matter, online or offline. Offline, everybody could join at 7 o'clock p.m. that country time and pray. There is prayer list below the video. And also a suggested prayer list, you could turn on this playlist and sanctify your home. Listen 24 hours these prayers as we are praying direct presence of God, interfaith prayers, strong prayers for peace. Let's go with the quotes. During the past 6,000 years, through our ignorance, we have human beings done to this beautiful earth that the Creator made. What should we do about this? Please join me and carry out the work needed to restore this world to its original pristine state at the time of creation, so that our descendants in the future won't have to worry, but will have hope. Let's accomplish this with our own hands. Okay, with our own hands, we start this global prayer chain, and let's invite next one to pray. Sailaja from India. Could you say a powerful prayer for peace? Or a few quotes, few words. Sailaja, welcome. Just technical adjustments. Okay, Sailaja, could you pray?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you very good. Welcome. Namaste.
Okay. Yeah, I think my network is very bad because here I'm not in my city. However, I'll try to do quickly that what we are praying for the peace. I thank God for whatever He's provided us, however He's given us, how much ever He's given us, and whatever He's made us do for a healthy life He has given us. And happiness is something what we need to create ourselves and manifest good things, that only good things happen to us. So it is on us how we lead our life and how positively we take about. That's what when you read that if we make our lives peaceful, then the coming generation also will have a peaceful life. But if we have a unsatisfied or a half-hearted life, then the future generation has to suffer and they have to fulfill the things and make it better for themselves. So the whole idea is we need to work together to bring out the positivity of energy and bring out some goodness in all people. And everyone has evil and bad and good and happiness and everything. All part of emotions are there in each person. But only thing is the amount of it, the balancing of it is on us. Some things can be higher, the lust can be higher, the happiness can be higher, the anger can be higher. So it is on each individual how we control our emotions and bring it to a balanced level. We don't say that do only good. You can be bad at times because it's your life and it's the way you are leading it, and then there are hormones in the body which play a role. But you need to see how to balance it and not impact too much on others. Whatever you do has to be taken into consideration how we handle ourselves and bring out the best in us so that others do not suffer because of our act. So I think God has to give us that sense of sensibility in each one of us so that we are able to pick and choose the right balancing amount, and that varies from person to person. And we do some goodness to the giving back to the society in the way we can. in whatever little manner, and see that the future generation has a better place to live in, unlike the wars and the hatred and all the things that are happening today, with the economy falling out, the rates increasing, inflation raising up, monetary terms coming down. So I think only we need to stabilize that and bring out the friendship in all of us, and so that we lead a life which is better for the future generation. If not for us, at least the future should be safe and secure. So I pray for each one of us who's part of this peaceful chain for a healthy life, and thank God that He's given us a chance to see a better today and a better tomorrow. And I hope we all have the peace what we are looking at. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Salaja. Very good, powerful prayer, especially for future generation. We're supposed to carry very much. Yeah. Okay, please join my prayer too. Dear Heavenly Parent, we are so happy to meet you alive here. We could feel you, we could hear you, we could understand you. And finally, as we're living at this age of direct dominion of God, we could live with our parent, because till now we were thinking that we are orphans. So we are global family, and so happy pray for the families who join here at this online, also all others who join offline. I pray very much for Amos family in Gabon and Sailaja in India, Asia, dear Heavenly Parent, and yes, we pray for prosperity of each one of us. You already saw the miracles, how we could find new jobs, new income, and please lead us further, how we could do it to help you move your providence. Dear Heavenly Parent, we pray very much for our ancestors because they was striving so much that we will live more or less in peace and development now, but it's not the end. This is the great call of the Messiah second coming. They inspire us to build ultimate global peace, heavenly kingdom in every corner of the world by 2027, and with modern technologies, with modern mindset of human being, we could do it. Just we're supposed to get rid of all these old habits and sins and everything what avoiding us to live happily. Dear Heavenly Parent, we pray so very much for our brothers and sisters to understand that sanctions and divorce and wars never bring to peace, and this is just bring happiness to evil satanic world. But true happiness is to live in peace, to live in true love, and we could do it. Just we could make the good choices every day, every hour, every second, as you inspire us every day to do it. Dear Heavenly Parent, really happy to hear from you, really happy to feel you, and we want to do it much more tomorrow. Dear Heavenly Parent, as tomorrow is another global ancestor liberation seminar. We will do ancestor liberation, and also tomorrow is in our country that is joined to our global prayer chain, Uganda. They have marriage blessing, and yes, most important is that everybody, all families, to receive Messiah's incoming blessing, because without this they couldn't get rid of this original sin what was hidden in the Garden of Eden when all evil starts. Dear Heavenly Parent, we pray so much to understand you, and really to understand as you work through different religions, especially now in India. There is a big Diwali celebration to celebrate the victory of good over the evil. So let it celebrate globally. Let's stop fighting our brothers and sisters, but live in peace with you and with all human beings, as we are one global family. It doesn't matter of our color of skin or our nationality. There shouldn't be any borders. And dear Heavenly Parent, please lead us how we could do it. And I want to say one more time, thank you very much for this 28th of October, bring it at a pure offering. And really, you as caring us as you carry 95% for every human being, and we are doing just 5%. So we understand that every second you care for us and you give us for free, give us air to breathe, good ideas, and really you show this world like from molecules to universes that everything is going just in perfect harmonious, and we also want to be like this, and we want to study this more and be more wise and really feel you and live in your happiness. Dear Heavenly Parent, please receive this short report. I pray for peace and prosperity for every human being, for every country. Let's organize together, helping people who are rich, those who are needs, and also developing country. And as we pray for ultimate goal of peace by 2027, we also pray for ultimate global disarmament by 2027. Let it all this money what is going to weapons go to building real peace, because peace is bringing by true love investing, living for the sake of others. This is Messiah's incoming words for today and forever. Please receive short report. I pray in my name as Nikolai Kerpala, Santa Bless family. Adieu. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Thank you so much, Nick. That was elaborate and nice. May the good win.
Yeah, thank you very much. I
Evil.
take you good energy from the India celebration. Diwali.
Yeah, good energy from India will come all the way.
Also, I'm doing one day fasting for the peace, so I feel really on heaven.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, next time we'll meet again. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
yeah, pray for you. Stay happy, healthy. Bye bye. Namaste.
Thank you. Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye.
Bye bye.